Do you want to master Mastercam from scratch and become a complete professional in CNC design and machining? I know what it feels like to have the desire to learn but not be able to find a course that's clear, comprehensive, or practical. That's why I created this course. In this Mastercam course, you'll learn everything you need to work in the real world. The course is divided into different sections. We'll start by downloading Mastercam. Then we'll move on to drawing wireframe structures, 2D drawing. From 2D drawings, we'll move on to creating solids and surfaces, which are 3D drawings. And we'll move on to the machining section, both for milling machines and lathes, including standard lathes and those with EGCE. As you can see, Mastercam is divided into wireframe structures, which will cover all of them. Surfaces, which are used for surface creation, are quite similar to solids and also to toolpaths in milling, both in 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional forms. Additionally, there are toolpaths in turning, which can be applied both on standard lathes and with EGCE. These similarities help ensure flexibility and precision in manufacturing processes. I'm David Sanchez. I've been working in CNC for over 15 years. My course has already helped more than 3,000 students on Udemy, with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5. And you're not alone. We have a private Facebook group where students support each other, share, make progress, and solve doubts every day. Also, if you have any questions during the course, you can write to me directly. I will personally answer you and help you move forward. I'm here to help you learn. Enroll today and start mastering Mastercam like a professional. You don't need any prior experience. Just take the first step. Signing up is very easy. You just need to go to CNC Professional in the courses section and then select the Mastercam course from the list of available options. After that, sign up for the complete and comprehensive Mastercam course, and once you have finished the registration process, this window will open for you to begin. As you can see, the course costs 80 euros, but with this promotion, it will only cost us 12.99 euros, and then we would click on Buy Now. Take advantage of this offer.